Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Sonia with Hiking with Sonia. I'm up at the Lost Dutchman State Park here in Arizona in the Superstition Mountains, my favorite mountains. And I'm in the shade. I'm in a shaded part right now and it feels really good. Actually, we're cooling down more and more and I'm able to get out and do a lot more hiking now, which feels good. Always remember to get out in nature. Nature is our natural healer. Okay. Oh, what I want to talk to you about today, and I may just do this for me, I'll see. And I've been aware that we create our own reality, and I've also been aware that the more you focus on something, what you focus on is what you bring into your life. So it's real important to pay attention to what you're focusing on. Instead of focusing on how empty your bank account is, focus on, visualize and imagine how much you have in it, and have gratitude for what you already have. The more gratitude you feel for things, the more you bring that in. So feel gratitude for the good things that are happening in your life, and that will actually attract more of those kind of things into your life. If you focus on how empty your bank account is, oh, guess what? The universe will bring more of that. And what I've come to understand is that we are in a computer simulation and it's running on algorithms, just like on YouTube. The more you watch a certain type of video, oh, guess what? That's what they bring to you. A guy did an experiment, and he had several computers, and on one computer, all he did was watch kittens playing. And guess what? After like 2 or 3 weeks of doing that, the only thing that the YouTube was bringing to him was kittens playing. So that's what we do in our lives. That's what we do here. What we focus on is what we bring into our lives. So be aware of how you feel, what you think, what you're focusing on, and bring in that gratitude for what you do have. Because there's always things that we can be grateful for, always. And that's my main message. And I do know that the subconscious has a lot to do with the vibration and frequency that we are putting out there. But we can change what's going on in our subconscious, and that's simply being aware of what programs and patterns that you're repeating in your life that you don't want to repeat. Be aware of them. Be aware of them. 90% of healing, being aware of it, and then making other choices, focusing, change your perspective, focus on it differently. And it can take 3 weeks to change a habit, change a belief system. It takes 3 weeks of working on that. And I used to, and I still do. If there's something popping up, a belief that I keep running or something I'm telling myself that's a negative, I'll write it down. Something that recently I've worked on is relationships don't work out for me. Well, I put it on a note card. That's my default belief system. And what I want is a deliberate belief system of the right relationships work out for me. And it takes 3 weeks to change something like that. And so every time you have to stop, you got to be in the present moment, and you've got to be aware of what you're thinking. Be aware. Be aware. Be in the present moment. And when a negative belief system pops up that you've been running for, I don't know, from childhood, stop, and replace that with the belief system that you do want. And it takes 3 weeks. 3 weeks to change it, but you can change it. You're the creator of your reality. Take charge, take responsibility for your reality, and bring into your reality what you do want. And the universe just runs on algorithms. What you believe, what you feel, what you focus on is what you believe, what you bring into your life. Do small experiments and see what I'm talking about. I challenge you to do that. And remember, again, remember everybody, get out in nature. It's our natural healer. And take time to really listen to you. That's something else that I've been aware of, is that our belief systems, if we're really ingrained in a belief system, and that's what we're watching on the internet, well, that's what they bring more of. They bring more of that, which just puts it more ingrained in our belief system. And we're being programmed. We're being programmed by the media. We're being programmed by the internet. And it's time to just kind of step back away from that. Make sure, you're not spending too much time in there. Step away. Let your own intuition come forward. Let your own thoughts come forward, and be open. Be open. And everybody have a good day.